Hi everyone! Today we are diving into Unit 2, Lesson 8. We're going to master the past perfect, both simple and continuous, to help you tell better stories in English. First, let's look at the definitions and structures. The past perfect simple is used to describe an action that was completed before another action in the past. Its structure is subject plus had plus past participle. On the other hand, the past perfect continuous is used to describe an action that continued for a period of time before another action in the past. Its structure is subject plus had been plus verb ing now. If we want to compare between them, essentially, past perfect continuous focuses on an ongoing action, while the past perfect simple focuses on a completed action. Now, let's compare two past actions. Past perfect simple and the past perfect continuous. Look at the past perfect simple. We use this when the focus is on a completed result. For example, she couldn't fly because she had forgotten her passport. The forgetting happened first, and it's a done deal causing the result. Now, look at the past perfect continuous. We use this to focus on an ongoing duration in the past. For example, Ben fell asleep because he had been working on the film set all morning. Here, we are emphasizing the length of time he spent working leading up to falling asleep. Let's practice what we've learned. Question 1. When I arrived, Sarah had finished her homework. Why had finished? Because she completely completed the task before I got there. We're focusing on the total result, so we use the past perfect simple. Question 2. They were tired because they had been working all day. Here, we choose have been working because all day emphasizes a long, ongoing process that caused their tiredness. Continuous is all about duration. Question 3. Before Ollie went to bed, he had watched a movie. We pick had watched because watching the movie was a single, completed event finished entirely before the next past action, going to bed. Question 4. By the time we reached the station, the train had left already. We use had left because leaving is a sudden, instantaneous action that was already done. You can't naturally have a train been leaving over a long duration here. Simple for results. Continuous for duration. How many did you get right?